Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In today's tutorial we're going to be making a sprint system. It's going to be a little bit more than simple because I think it's useful to actually have a good one. But you're first going to want to do is get your animations. I'm not really good at animating, so you can always just search up run R6 animation and whichever one you think looks good. So I guess I'll just use this first one, right? So we got this here. We can do here. So this run here looks pretty good. So once you get your run, just publish to Roblox, copy it. Make sure that the animation priority is movement, by the way, it's pretty important. Anyway, so you copy it, you'll go into starter player, starter character strips, make a local script. Call it whatever you want. I'm just gonna call it Sprint, or in my case, Pablo Sprint, so that you know I made it, or so that I know I made it, and that it's not toolbox or whatever. Name your animation just Sprint Anim, or just keep it animation. You won't have any others in there, and then copy paste your ID in. The first thing you want to do is get all of your variables. So that's local player, local UIS, I guess, user input service, local anim, and local, we'll come to that later. So for players, we got game get service players, local player, plus game get service, user input, name anim equals script dot sprint animation. Local character, actually, let's see here. Local character equals player dot character. Local humanoid equals character dot humanoid, or character wait for child humanoid, just to make sure that we get that, because it's pretty important, just like in last tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is just user input service dot input began connect function. I'm not really good at the whole function thing. You can put what you need in there. I'm just gonna put input. So if input dot keycode equals enum dot keycode dot left shift, or whatever your sprint button is. Make sure you do 2 equal, by the way. Then humanoid dot walk speed equals whatever you want it to be. For this case, we'll make it 25. Else, we'll just make it the default of 16. Now, if you're already using this, this is perfect for just like a regular thing. It already makes you a little bit faster, and it works completely fine. Okay, instead of doing else here, I think it's just easier to do UIS dot input ended. Instead, I think it's just better that way. Humanoid dot walk speed equals 16. So we have that. If you decide to test that right now, it'll work completely fine, and it'll speed you up. But what we really want is the animation. Since this one's R6, you're going to want to go to your avatar settings here, which is in the avatar tab, and go to R6 only. And you have to save the changes, and just save and restart, which doesn't do anything. Now, what you want to do next, shoot, let's see here. Humanoid load animation script dot sprint anim. I think that should work. So then anim play, right? Is you'll want to anim stop. which when we test looks like this. But if you notice, it's kind of snappy, right? So if you want to make it less snappy, you can do something like 0.5 here, 0.5 here, and then it actually like is less snappy and it looks way better. At least in my opinion, it looks way better. So that already just makes it much smoother. And already I think it looks pretty good. Is there really anything else we gotta do? Oh, yes, okay. So next we want to check if the character presses W and S or just stops. We want the animation to stop so that you can't just play the animation while you're stopped, which in case you're wondering looks like this. Yeah, you can just play it while you're stopped, and that's not really something we want. So, we want to do if let me check this real quick. So we got it to work. If you're standing still, the animation won't play, but if you're moving, it will. But if you stop while you're moving, it still will. And honestly, I don't know how to fix that. If I find out how to fix it, I'll come back later and show you guys, but I'm really tired and I don't know right now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this helped you understand more about animations and stuff. I'll see you guys later.